Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Level 8 Voyageur Luggage collection in the 28, 26, 20-inch size, along with the Atlas backpack. So let's take a look. Briefly going over some specs, this comes in 5 color options. It has 4 sizes, 20-inch carry-on, 26, 28, and a 30-inch checked-in. It features a wide aluminum telescopic handle design for easy navigation and also maximizes the base for packing. The exterior is German-made Macrolon polycarbonate construction, TSA approved lock, YKK puncture resistant zipper, 360 spinner wheels, interior compressor system, dry and wet pockets, 2 compartments. The 20-inch carry-on weighs in at 8.1 pounds with a 43-liter capacity. The 26-inch 11.8 pounds with a 93-liter capacity, and the 28-inch 12.4 pounds with a 99-liter capacity. Looking at the 28-inch, you have the branding on the front along with the handle. It has a sturdy polycarbonate exterior. On the side, you have the combination lock and the TSA approved lock. You also have a handle, and the top has a handle. It has a wide collapsible handle and easy to adjust. Easy to navigate with the wheels and handle. A closer look at the bottom, you have the 360 spinner wheels. Opening it is just a push of the tab to the side to release the lock, and then you unzip. Inside you have the sections. The top section you have the 2 pockets for wet and dry. And behind that you have a compartment for more storage, which is also lined. The lower compartment is separated by a compression mesh, also lined, and it has a foldable separator. And as mentioned, this has a total of 99-liter capacity. Taking some measurements, it comes in at roughly 12.2 pounds. Now the 26-inch, you have the branding on the front, and you also have the sturdy polycarbonate exterior. On the side, you have the combo lock and the TSA lock. You have a handle right below that, and also a handle on the top. And the back, you can see the wide adjustable handle. Here's the bottom view of the 360 spinner wheels. Opening it up, just push the tab to the side to release the zippers. Inside, same design as the 28-inch, you have the wet and dry pockets and a large lined compartment right behind that. The lower compartment, you have a mesh compression separator and plenty of space below, and you also have the foldable separator. Total capacity is 93 liters. And looking at the weight, it weighs in at roughly 12.1 pounds. And here's a look at the 20-inch version, which is a carry-on. The branding on the front, and it has a sturdy exterior. You have the handles on the side with the combo and TSA lock on the top, along with the handle. And you have the adjustable handle on the back. Bottom, you have the 360 spinner wheels, and to open, just push a tab and unzip. Same design as the others, you have the wet and dry pockets, and right behind that you have another lined compartment with more storage space. Right below you have the compression separator and more storage. This does not have the foldable separator like the 26 and 28-inch on the bottom. Total capacity of 43 liters. Taking the weight measurement, it comes in at roughly 7.5 pounds. And finally, here's a look at the Atlas laptop backpack. It has a capacity of 31 liters, water-repelled polyester fabric, large rugged handle on the top, branding on the front and the back, and you have a lot of padding on the back along with the straps. The front, you have 3 compartments. The first one has multiple pockets inside to store all your belongings. On the top, you have another compartment that is pretty deep. Right behind that is another large compartment. Looking at the side, you have storage that can fit a water bottle. And towards the back, you have zippers that will give you access to the laptop compartment. It can accommodate a laptop from 13 to 16 inches, and you can see all the padding. Okay, so that's a look at the Level 8 Voyageur Luggage, a lightweight collection with large handles and very easy to navigate. Plenty of capacity for your belongings. I have left a link in the description box below along with some discount codes if you're interested.